This is my dual music from outer space state variable filter. I call my version the Multimode Frequency Modulator. We'll start with a basic sequence. This sequence coming from my music from outer space 16-step analog sequencer. Now this is the filter. There's section A and section B, and section A feeds into section B through the feed knob in the center. You'll notice I'm sweeping the frequency. I have section A set to a high pass and section B set to a low pass. The mode control is on the bottom. Band pass, low pass, band pass, high pass. The basic setup of this demo will be a high pass into a low pass. You'll notice the feed knob adjusts the volume of section A into section B. This is the mod control, and these switches select whether the modulation goes to A, B, or both. Let's try A. This is a separate envelope generator, now adjusting the high pass frequency of filter A. And you can invert the mod as well. Turn the low pass down on section B. And let's kick that on and see what kind of impact we get. One of the interesting settings you can do with this is you can set the two peaks apart from each other and have the modulation affect them kind of in a dual peak filter similar to the Voyager. Now the mod control is one mod input that goes to both. There are multiple FM inputs to each filter, the mod input being the common one between the two. As you can hear on this section, I have just turned up the modulation to filter B, which is being fed through FMB from an LFO. The dual filter structure really gives you the option to create some interesting timbres. In my particular build, both filters are set up where one is normalized into the other, or they can be used independently of each other as two normal multi-mode filters. These filters are available in PCB form at musicfromouterspace.com.